Hi friends, I am a circle. Circle means virtue. I have a edge. I have no corner. Hi friends, I am a semicircle. Semicircle means other one. Hi friends, I am a rectangle. Rectangle means lahu cone. My measure is less than 90 degrees. Hi friends, I am a right angle. Right angle means cartoon. My measure is 90 degrees. Hi friends, I am a optic angle. Optic angle means vishal cone. My measure is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees. Hi friends, I am a straight angle. Straight angle means round cone. My measure is complete 180 degrees. Hi friends, I am a reflect angle. Reflect angle means vishal cone. My measure is greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. Hi friends, I am complete angle. Complete angle means purna cone. My measure is complete 360 degrees. I make complete circle. Hi friends, I am a point. Point means bindu.